Roatan is a great place to live. You can check out some of the properties that are currently available for sale right here on the Roatan Travel Network Real Estate Guide.
Here, amidst verdant landscaping and the gentle sea breeze, you discover not just a home, but a luxurious retreat designed for the most discerning tastes. Step through the doors of this newly constructed marvel to find an oasis of tranquility and style. Nearly completed, its solid hardwood construction is crafted with meticulous attention to the Balinese aesthetic. Every space in this home is a testament to elegance and harmony, from the intricately detailed decor to the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living. Nestled atop the North Shore ridge of Roatan lies a breathtaking estate, perfectly tailored for luxury island living. Boasting cooling breezes and sweeping 180-degree turquoise ocean views from expansive covered porches on each floor, this 4-bedroom gem merges elegance with functionality. Revel in an entertainer's paradise with lavish outdoor spaces, including an expansive shimmering pool with covered palapa. Ideally positioned in a quiet area between West End and West Bay, indulge in nearby dive shops, vibrant nightlife, exquisite dining and shopping, all a stone's throw away. As an added bonus, the road to the property is currently being paved. This oceanfront sanctuary, set in the heart of a lush jungle paradise, features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a private pool, 3 kitchens, ample covered parking, a large storage building, and a dedicated caretaker's apartment, crafting a serene and luxurious living experience. Step onto the expansive decks, where private shaded nooks and your own pool create a peaceful oasis. With direct beach access, the soft sandy shores and mesmerizing turquoise waters are just a few steps from your doorstep. The home, a harmonious blend of robust concrete and rich tropical hardwoods, assures both luxury and resilience. The property is being offered turnkey furnished. Embrace the epitome of Caribbean luxury with this exquisite 2-level home nestled in the most prestigious development on the island of Roatan. The property boasts a total of 6 meticulously designed bedrooms, each graced with its own bath, promising privacy and tranquility for all occupants. The home is partially furnished with thoughtful selections that complement its contemporary design and hardwood features. The exterior is just as impressive, with a slate-style ceramic tile roof enhancing its aesthetic appeal and durability. This property is not just a home, it's a sanctuary where luxury meets tropical paradise. Escape to the ultimate island lifestyle at this magnificent hilltop retreat. Sweeping ocean views of both sides of Roatan from this ridge lot ensure no adjoining neighbors. Hardwoods throughout the home exude sophistication, including in the designer kitchen with top-level granite and appliances. Imported fixtures and a European-style open tub shower area add to the ambience. 2 living rooms are perched below the 24-foot vaulted hardwood ceiling. Enjoy the infinity pool, offering breathtaking views of the reef, or relax on the stargazing deck on warm Caribbean nights.
Thanks for watching the Roatan Travel Network's Real Estate Guide. We hope you discover your perfect island dream home.